Tags are a way to keep your members organized inside of your Mighty network. And when you add tags, they're only visible to network hosts. So I'm going to go ahead and create a new tag here by going to admin and tags and then making sure that the feature is flipped on. And I'm going to create here. So first you need to enter a tag name. And I am going to enter founding member. So these are going to be tags just for the people who are founding members of my network so that I can keep track of them. And then we'll show you in other videos what you can do with these tags and what make them really powerful. So I'm going to go ahead and create the tag. And then once I do, I'm going to add tag to members. So this is where you can search for specific members. I'm just going to go ahead and choose as many people as I'd like to. I can also assign tags on the member list as well. But this is just kind of a quick, easy way to do it once you create a tag and then add the tag. So I'll see now that I have 8 members here. I can see when it was created. And then I can also click to see members. So this will give me a full list of the members that have that tag applied to them. If I want to click into a specific member, this is what we call the member detail page. And I can see any tags as well and add additional tags onto members' profiles individually as well. And let's just head back. So you can also sort your tags here. This gives you a little peek at the member list. And if you want to add the tag to more people, you can select all or select more, and then under bulk actions, you can add tags or remove tags. So I'm going to add some more tags, and then if I wanted to remove that, I could easily remove them either in this bulk action, or I could click into the individual member on the member detail page and scroll over and select this X to remove the tag from a specific member.